So, a lot of people don't really know, when should you increase your position size and how do you do it? If you're going to increase your position size, you got to keep a few things in contact, right? You need to understand how much capital you actually have in your account. You need to understand how much risk you trade or how much risk you're willing to lose per trade, right? Whether it be it percentage wise or dollar amounts. Say you have $1,000 account and you want to risk 10% of your account per trade. That's going to give you 10 trades. 10. Before your account is completely blown up. And if you guys play with risk reward ratio, playing with at least a 2 risk reward ratio, and you have a decent win rate, inshallah, your account will grow. That's just how it works based off upon math. But if you're trading with random contract sizes or trading with the contract size amount that's too much for your account size, you're going to face the repercussions. How do you know when to scale your position size? You guys need to take a few things into account. Let's talk about the first one. How consistent are you? If you guys can, you should definitely always be journaling your trades. This way, you guys are going to be able to see the type of trade setups that work for you. And you guys are going to be able to go ahead and see, just in case you get into a bad slump, you can get back into your groove by just going back to pretty much your bread and butter, right? If you're very consistent doing a strategy that you've been doing, whether it be it reversals or breakouts, then inshallah, God wills, you guys are definitely going to be able to go ahead and scale your position size a little bit quicker. Now, say you're somebody who boots up your account, blows it, boots up your account, blows it, boots up your account, blows it. Unfortunately, we've all been there at some point. But it's all about just realizing, okay, if I'm consistently blowing up my account and I'm not in a groove or I'm not in a state of making consistent, profitable trades, I probably shouldn't deposit more than $500 at a time. And I probably shouldn't destroy my real life bank account or my savings that I have when I don't even really know what I'm doing. You feel me? And I don't want people to get into the mistake of taking a large amount of money that they already have and thinking that they're going to flip it without actually knowing the art or the skill of how to trade or how to read a candlestick chart. And it bothers me. It truly does. People think they're going to come on this game and just make some quick bans. And I know we've had some free times. AMC, GME, Dogecoin. But that's not trading, bro. Trading has been out for decades. And you're playing against highly intelligent, patient, disciplined people who are not playing any type of games. So the fact that you think you're going to come on here and not take it serious and not study, not get mentorship, not get a course, not watch videos all day, not mark out setups over and over and over again like it's some homework. If you think you're going to come onto the charts and not do all of that and become profitable, good luck. Some of you are trying to just scale up way too fast, trying to just run up some bands and you're just losing bread. Especially on Reddit and stuff like that. I see some insane stuff talking about some YOLO. This is not YOLO, bro. This is not a game. Trading is not a game. Trading is literally just coincidences, and it's just about finding the coincidences and finding the puzzle pieces. That's it. It's just a bunch of coincidences and a bunch of wicks meeting up in the same area, whether it be it resistance or support from the higher time frames, where there's large amounts of volume. That's it. And it's just about waiting for those key areas, seeing what happens at those price actions, and then go ahead and enter in your trade, depending be it a breakout or reversal. That's trading. This isn't YOLO. This isn't getting on here and just buying. It's right here right now. I'm just gonna buy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you think you're going to be profitable like that? Do you think you're going to be successful like that? Just doing YOLO stuff, buying and selling whatever, buying contracts that don't make sense. You're getting eaten up a lot by theta. You think you're ready to scale up, but you don't know what you're doing? Come on now. You're not setting alerts. Are you even getting up for market open on time? Some of you aren't taking it serious enough. You're not taking it serious enough, and this is why you're not getting the results you don't want to get. I want you guys to be successful. I don't want you guys to be struggling. But you're going to continue to struggle if you try and go from here to here without taking the baby steps. You don't need to scale up until you've proved yourself, until you've proved to God that you're capable of being consistent, being disciplined, and being patient. Until you prove to God those three things, you don't deserve to scale up. You don't deserve to boot up or deposit your account with more than $500. If you can't turn $500 to over $1,000, what are you doing? You don't need to deposit more than $1,000. Some of you think more capital is going to make you a better trader, and it's so cringe. It's so cringe, man. Because it's not. I promise you, it's not. If you're not good at trading, I can give you $1 billion, you'll probably blow it. Because you'll make even sillier mistakes. Oh, I have a lot of capital. Making dumber trades, making sillier mistakes, just paper cutting your account down. All right? What are y'all doing, bro? Tighten up. I need y'all to tighten up, bro. I want y'all to cop drink, bro. I want y'all to cop cars. I want y'all to cop houses. I want y'all to pay y'all bills. But we're not going to do this if we're being undisciplined. We're not going to do this if we're trying to rush things. It's like being an Olympic runner. Think about how much they train. Think about how much NBA players train. Think about how much MMA fighters train. They don't just get in the ring. They don't just get on the court. They don't just get on the track. They grind behind the scenes. You need to grind. You need to earn it. They play AAU. They play college. They play high school. They play elementary. They grind for decades. You have to do the same if you want to achieve success, inshallah. You say you want to be a trader. You say you want this to be your craft. You need to live, breathe, and sleep God and this so you can provide for your family. I said it's all we have time to do is pray and grind and provide for our family. That's it. That's it, bro. Stop trying to rush things and you're not ready. All right? Catch you on the next one. Scale your position size. When you're consistent, never go over 10% of your account. Ever. All right, go to bitunits.com if you guys want to trade crypto futures and stuff. It's fantastic. You can buy crypto on there too. It's fast. It's not weird like other brokers and stuff. It's great. Check it out. bitunits.com. Link in the description below. I love you so much. StackMode.net as well for trading education. Peace. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunits.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunits.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunits.com. Link in description below. Peace.